these are the things I'm going to buy. This is the outcome of what we've been cooking since. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing fine. If you are new to my channel, my name is Temi and you are welcome to Temi Best Food Family. For my old subscribers, I see you come back once again. As you all know, the children are already in holiday. Yeah, I have my baby here, my big baby. So his sister is still in school. They are going to close to this end of June. So we are going to market. So I just carry guys along with us because we need to cook, you know, since they're already in holiday. Like we are going to do ×2 of shopping, like ×2 of grocery. So these are the things I'm going to buy. So we are going to be checking one by one, but you know, if I don't write it down like this, I'm going to forget, or I will buy excess. So we are on budget. So we need to get pepper. So taking this pepper. Oh, can't see me. Oh gosh, they have only 2. We get luck today. Oh. So I budgeted here for my meat and fish and my cow meat, a bit cow skin. 2, 4, 6. So let me get cereals for them. Can you buy this? Which one? I'll take it. Let's take 2. Nutmeg. So we are home now. I'm going to go on and show you what I got from supermarkets. Yeah, I got 5 fish. Yeah, I got these 5 fish. If you are watching my video, you know that this is my best fish ever. Yeah, I'm going to go on and cook right away. So I got this vegetable, fresh vegetable, because I'm going to cook egusi soup separately. I'm going to prepare vegetable soup separately. Then I'm going to cook okra. I just pray God should give me this strength because I really need to cook. So I got 2 fresh vegetable. Should I really put it here? So I got 2 cornflakes cereal because my kids love this so much. Like they love her. My baby boy love this one, then my baby girl love this, but me too, I love this. I love this honey one. Yeah, then I got some meat. So these are the meats I got because I'm going to cook 3 soup. So yeah, I got this. So I got this for my vegetable soup. So I got 2 milk because I can just buy what I know that I can carry. I'm not a motor. So I got 2. I got 1 tomatoes. I have 2 bread, 1 onion, 1 egg. I wanted to buy more of these beans, but unfortunately they don't have any more, so I just need to get it too. So I got this pepper for my vegetable soup. So I got this food for the kids. Yeah, I got one pizza. So I got this for my baby girl, for my mama. So I got one cow skin. Then I went to African store. Yeah, I went to African store. What are the things I got there? Okay. So these are the things I got from African store. I got this for €4. It's crayfish. I got this fresh pepper for €3. Yeah. I got this one for €5. Shaki. Then I got okra. So I bought this okra for €4. I'm going to try my effort to pack everything now. Then I'm going to start cooking immediately. Yeah. So let's get started. Okay, now. Let's start cooking. Yeah. Okay. So this is my meat, my shaki, my cow skin, everything. So this is my pepper. I'm going to put my pepper. This is habanero pepper. So I'll go on and add my curry powder. My rosemary. So this is my thyme. My bay leaf. So my salt. My Maggi cube. I'm using none. So this is my nutmeg. So I'll go on in herb water. And now go on and turn everything together. So then we cover it, we cook it until it's soft to my taste. So I want to start cooking now. This is my palm oil. I'm going to cook vegetable first. Let's add our onions. I'm going to go on and add my salt, just small salt. So this is my grounded pepper, So we are cooking now. I've sliced all my vegetables. I'm frying my fish now. So I'm just going to go on and pick this crayfish because I don't used to blend crayfish without me picking them. So we need to pick them first. After that, I will go on and pick my egusi. Yeah, like today I work for you. This is not too much. Let me reduce it. I think this is okay. So these are fried fish. Hey, Mama. Hey. So let me put it here. Okay. So this is our vegetable stew is frying. I'm going to go on and add my seasoning, my Maggi, my salt, anything at all. So this is my Maggi, my crayfish. So I've added my crayfish. So our vegetable is cooking. I'm just going to go on now and add my protein. So I'm going to turn it together. I'm going to use this manner to cut my okra. It's so helpful. So I'm just going to cut them here, and I will use this one to plate it. So let's cook our egusi soup. So I've put palm oil already. I'm going to add my onions. So I'll go on and add my blended pepper. So this is my stew. I'm just going to go on and add my egusi. I've mixed it with my meat stock. So I'll just go on to add it. I'm going to go on now and add a little bit of water. Then I will add my crayfish. So I'll add water. I'm going to add my crayfish. So I'm going to go on and add my protein because I've had my seasoning already. If I'm cooking, I've not put fish. I don't see myself cooking. So I'm trying to add this. I'll go on and add my sliced fresh vegetable. I'm going to leave it and cook in the low heat. I'm going to cook okra and ogbono together. So I'll just put the ogbono. I've had my palm oil, then I'll add my ogbono. So it's okay to stir it together. I want this to dissolve, so I'm trying to do everything in low heat. I've dissolved it, so I'm going to add my blended pepper. I'm going to let it fry in low heat just for how many minutes, then I will add water. So I'm going to add my meat stock, then I will add water. So I'm going to let it for 10 minutes, and I will add my okra. So I'm going to add my okra. So I'm going to go and add my crayfish, my Maggi cube, then my salt. So this is my banana soup. I'm going to add my protein. So this is my protein. I'm going to add it. I'm thinking that I should add small vegetable. Yeah. So I'm going to add small vegetable. This is our okra and ogbono soup. This is our egusi soup, and this is our vegetable. Thank God we are done cooking. I started cooking around 1 something, like 2 o'clock. Then this is past 6. At last, see you, madam. This girl, she just stay in my back, like she sleep, she wake up. This is our egusi soup. This is our okra and ogbono soup. and this is our vegetable. So this is the outcome of what we've been cooking since. So that is it for today. Thank you for coming once again. Don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel, and let me see what you think on my comment section. And see you guys on my next video.